Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the ChatGPT website right away. Now click on create free account at the top right corner and you will now be asked to enter your email address in order to continue signing up. You can also use your Google, your Microsoft or your Apple account to sign up with a shortcut. After entering your email address, click on continue and you will now be asked to enter your desired password for your account. After entering your password, click on continue and now you will be asked to verify your email. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from ChatGPT. Open this up and click on verify email address. And now your sign up has completed and you can now fill up your name as well as your date of birth. And now you will be able to start using the platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.